Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to edit the menu bar on Mac. The menu bar is this little bar on the top of the screen. How to edit it? It's simple. Click on the little Apple icon from this corner and select System Settings. A new window pops up. Here, look for Control Center. This is it. And from here, you can show or hide anything on the, or you can, from this page, you can customize the, or you can edit the menu bar on your MacBook. First, let's start by as you see here, you see that I show the Wi-Fi icon from here. And if I prefer to not see it here, just select don't show in menu bar. And just like this, it is hidden from the menu bar. I will return it. Same thing for the Bluetooth. You can go with show in menu bar, and you can repeat the same thing with the airdrop, focus, storage, stage manager, screen mirroring. You can sometimes it gives you the possibility to select show when active. Same thing for this sound. I prefer it to be always shown in the menu bar. And here you can also, for the battery, you can show or hide it from here. As you see, this is the battery. You can also show the battery as percentage or just the little icon. You can also show the keyboard brightness in the menu bar. Where is it? Personally, let's quit this app. Okay, I think. Okay, since I have this little on this MacBook Air, I have this little camera that sometimes does not let some apps to show up. Same thing, you can show the clock, the spotlight, the VPN, or the weather. And from here, you can automatically hide and show the menu bar in always automatically hide and show the menu bar just on the, you can also select just on the desktop in full screen only, or never automatically hiding the menu bar. And this says how to edit the menu bar on a Mac. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.